Credence is one of the few solar module makers which release its modules in highest wattage. Last time when we were talking, it had its maximum watt peak at 680. Right now they have increased it to 725. So today we will talk to Mr. Jinto Joseph, who is from Credence. So Jinto ji, welcome to Solar Energy.
Thank you, thank you.
So currently, what are the major products that you are showcasing at the latest REI?
See here we have exhibited two different technologies. One is into monoperk, that is up to 700 watt peak we have, and the TopCon which we have launched, that is up to 725. Up to 700 watt peak in monoperk we have been manufacturing and supplying for last 2 years, and we have all our certification, whatever you name it as BIS, ALMM, IEC we have in place. And our latest series of 725 watt peak it is under testing. We expect to have all the certification in line by December, and we are already manufactured it, but the commercial production will start from December. And we proudly say that the only manufacturer in India, even as you mentioned last REI, even in this REI also, the commercially producing in GTOL module, that is only from Credence. So we look forward, we'll be keep upgrading our technology. We will be keep increasing our module capacity. It depends upon the market requirement and depend upon the cell efficiencies.
Let's try to understand the science behind this watt peak, higher watt peak. Like earlier there was monoperk in lower categories. So for a 3 kilowatt system, rooftop system, we required around 8 panels. So right now with your 725 watt peak, that is one of your highest released ones. So how many panels we will require for a 3 kilowatt system for a consumer to know, just to understand the difference, how it makes when one increases the watt peak?
See, of course, when the module wattage goes up, the number of module per system comes down. See, the major game happens is not for rooftop segment. Our products are not meant for rooftop segment. It's all for utility. When you have a higher wattage of module, you have better savings on your BOS cost. So when you are going for higher wattage module, ultimately you are saving on the BOS and you are having a better savings on your electricity cost. This is where it lies especially.
So currently you are having monoperk, TopCon, and a lot of other solar module makers that we have talked to, they are also planning to launch HJT. So any plans currently to launch HJT?
See, of course, we have a plan to shift towards the technology as and when the cells availability. Today, the market is driving with the TopCon. So now the TopCon cell availabilities are there in the market. But HJT as a stage, like it is not matured in that level. The major challenge to shifting a new technology, it's all about its compactivity with the existing line. When we are running in monoperk line, the line can be easily capable of manufacturing TopCon. Whereas HJT, there are a lot of changes has to be done on the line.
You require new machines.
We require new machines, and it's a new investment. So now when there is a technology where we are able to run the same machineries, the priority has given to it. Now when the technology is shifting, raw materials are available accordingly, of course we will think about a TopCon. It can be TopCon or it can be tandem or it can be ABS. Whatever the technology is going to come, newly that we will be adopting, and in India we will be the first one who is trying to adopt it. As we are expanding our line, our new missionaries will be capable of adopting the latest technology which is coming up.
So some of the companies are also planning to release their modules in the same wattage, like above 7 watt peak. So how you want to compete, how you can compete with those players?
See, even it's an exhibition. People always showcase, and it's a way of marketing. They wanted to exhibit higher wattage. What we do here is like we started showcasing the product, same as we started to book the order. It's not about exhibiting it, it's about commercially producing it. In that commitment, in that way, we are showing our strength that it is not only exhibiting, it is always about commercially producing it. And we do stand with that.
So last question, a lot of solar module makers are now planning to expand. So where you stand now, what is your current capacity and where you plan to expand it, to how much you want to expand in the coming days?
See, always REI is a good platform for everyone to showcase their strength and again to proclaim what they are going to do the next day. In this REI, the first day we had exhibited our product, we have launched our product of 725 watt. Along with that, we have announced our expansion plan. 2021 we have started, it was a 200 megawatt line. And 2024 March, we have expanded our line to a 600 megawatt line. And 2025 Feb, we are commissioning our new manufacturing line of 1.6 gigawatt. That means 2025 Feb, we will have an operational capacity of 2.2 gigawatt, which is a handsome quantity that a new manufacturer can have it, and a handsome growth in a 2 year when we are expanding from 200 megawatt to 2.2 gigawatt.
Thanks a lot, Jinto ji, for talking to Solar Energy.
Thank you.